making fried rice. The rice is cooking. Right now we're making carrots. This is not traditional at all. This is just what pops into my head. So here are some carrots that's cooking in some sesame oil. We're not going to put the peas in yet because they're frozen and they'll cook really fast. And the peas just cook fast anyway. Yeah, so for now we're just cooking up these carrots. They're going to take a little bit. And then we'll do the peas. And then when the rice is ready, we'll add it all together and cook up some egg into it and also add some soy sauce. No offense to anybody who's vegetarian, because that's okay. I've been vegan before. But we are adding bacon. That will be done at some point. I can't remember when, but it will happen at some point. It's probably right.
So what are those?
These are peas.
Really?
Frozen peas. Give them a little tossaroni and see, look, they're already beautiful. They're turning colors.
Mm-hmm.
They smell terrible. Move. Keep that shit up. It's frozen. That's rice. Now we're gonna see if this is, nope. That's frozen. This might be a problem. If you run your bacon under hot water, it will get defrosted in like 5 minutes.
Oh.
Got wet hands.
Yep.
Save this shit for later. Woo! Always wash your hands when touching raw meat, even though this is smoked. Okay, we'll be back in a few minutes. Come to the rescue. Rescue. Yo, get out of this. Yeah! That's a bacon dipped carrot. We don't want the bacon grease. Okay, this is not bacon fried rice. Well, it kinda is. But we don't want the bacon grease, we want the sesame oil. We don't want the whole like bacon flavor, we just want the meat. Get rid of the bacon grease. Key point is rice is done. Now it needs to dry out a little bit. So we take off this to release the steam. We do not want wet rice. No wet.
That's what she said.
Now here we got some bacon, some peas and carrots. Now we just gotta wait for our rice to dry out a little bit and then we can add it all together. Traditionally, I think you would do this with baled rice, but I don't plan ahead. I said fried rice sounds good. So here we are, and we're just gonna wait till it dries out a little bit. We're gonna put this in the fridge so it can cool down and dry out a little bit. Juice break. Steam. Yes, we put some oil in this pan. That's not oil! That's not oil! This is soy sauce! Where did the oil go?
Wow.
Technical difficulties. We're putting oil in the pan. Yeah. Don't ask why there's already rice in there. I don't know. Just shit happens. Yeah. This needs to get hot. We'll put the rice back in the bowl. This is the wrong spoon. Eggs. Not quite yet, though. Egg. Always crack on the counter, not on the side of something, because then you'll get eggshells. Life hack. No eggshells. Yeah. Oh shit, probably burning stuff. You want this to be whisked before you put it in, because then you might get like a bunch of egg whites because they'll cook fast. Now we're gonna add the egg in. Probably should have added soy sauce first. But let's see how this goes. Wow, that's a lot of egg. Mistakes have been made. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Okay, we're doing okay. There's a lot of egg in here, but it's gonna be okay. Adding the veggies and the bacon. My hand is cramping. The last part is adding the soy sauce, which I did incorrectly the first time. Might be too little, might be too much. Not sure. Let's give it a stir. There's that fried rice color you want. Not fried rice.